Small dents and dings are common, but you do not always need a professional to fix them. With simple methods, you can easily remove minor dents and restore your car's appearance. Boiling water softens plastic car surfaces, making it much easier to push out dents without damaging the material underneath. Boil some water in a pot until it is hot enough to soften plastic. Pour the boiling water slowly and evenly over the dented area on your car to heat and soften the plastic, allowing it to become more flexible. After the plastic has softened, quickly use a plunger to plunge the dent, creating suction to help it pop out. Repeat this process for each dent until they are all removed, and your car's surface looks smooth and restored again. You may need to repeat the process several times on tougher dents for the best results. Be patient and persistent, as some dents take more effort to fully come out. By using this simple and easy method, you will quickly remove small dents from your car without needing professional help. Heating the dent with a hair dryer, then cooling it quickly with compressed air, causes the metal to expand and contract, helping the dent pop out naturally. Take a hair dryer and point it at the dent on your car for a few minutes to warm up the area. Move the dryer around a little so the heat spreads evenly. The heat makes the metal or plastic softer, so the dent is easier to fix. Next, take a can of compressed air, hold it upside down, and spray it directly onto the heated area. The sudden cooling from the compressed air will cause the surface to contract, often making the dent pop out. Afterward, wipe the area clean with a microfiber towel to remove any residue. If the dent or ding is still visible, repeat the process a second time for better results. This technique works best on small to medium-sized dents where the paint is still intact. By using this simple and easy method, you will quickly remove small dents from your car without needing professional help. Hammer and dolly allows precise control when removing dents by gently reshaping the metal from both sides, helping restore the panel smoothly without damaging the surface. To fix a dent using a hammer and dolly, first access the back side of the dent. Place the dolly firmly against the outside surface of the dent to support the metal. Then, gently tap the inside of the dent using a body hammer, working around the edges toward the center. This helps reshape the panel and smooth out the dented area. Repeat the process until the panel returns to its original shape and looks smooth. By using this easy method, you can effectively remove dents and dings and restore the surface to its original shape. Dry ice rapidly cools the metal surface, causing it to contract quickly and pop the dent out without needing any special tools. To remove a dent with dry ice, put on gloves or hold the dry ice with a paper towel, as dry ice is extremely cold and can cause skin burns. Place a piece of dry ice directly onto the dent and leave it there for a few minutes. The rapid cooling causes the metal to contract, which can make the dent pop out. If the dent does not fully come out, repeat the process for better results. By this simple and easy method, you will be able to remove small dents and dings without any special tools. A suction cup sticks firmly to the dented area and allows you to gently pull it outward without damaging the surrounding paint or finish. The Wasaki Car Dent Puller is a handy tool that can remove dents and also lift smooth items like glass and furniture. Made from strong materials, it offers powerful suction to safely pull out dents without damaging the paint. To remove a dent with a suction cup, attach the suction cup to the center of the dent and ensure it is securely in place. Pull the suction cup outward slowly and steadily. The suction will gradually pull the dent out as the surface stretches back to its original shape. If the dent does not fully pop out, you can repeat the process a few times for better results. Dent Puller Kit helps remove dents easily by pulling them out from the surface, without damaging the paint or requiring professional tools. The Glisten Auto Dent Puller Kit is adjustable for both small and large dents, and it will not damage your car's paint. The kit includes strong tabs and professional glue for quick and easy dent removal. To use the Glisten Auto Dent Puller Kit, apply the glue to a pulling tab and press it firmly onto the center of the dent. Once the glue sets, attach the golden dent lifter Adjust its height or width as needed. Then gently squeeze the handle to pull the dent outward. After the dent pops out, remove the tab. This method is safe, simple, and will not damage your car's paint. Using these simple techniques, you will quickly fix small dents and dings, saving money and effort. If the dent proves stubborn, do not hesitate to seek professional help for a perfect finish.